In today's video, I will walk you through how to upgrade your Replit account. Upgrading your account to a paid tier lets you increase your project limits, improve your AI memory and speed, invite more collaborators, and access pooled cloud credits. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your plan and manage your subscription. Start by logging into your Replit account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the official Replit pricing page. You can also access the billing section from your workspace by clicking the Settings gear icon in the lower left corner. Under the Account section, select Billing Settings to reach the same area. When you arrive at the pricing page, review the available plan options and choose the one that best fits your needs. The starter plan is available at no cost. It includes basic AI chat, one active published app, and 2 gigabytes of storage per app. If you're looking for additional features, select Replit Core. This plan is designed for individual developers and includes unlimited published apps, premium AI models, custom domains, $20 in monthly usage credits, support for up to 5 workspace collaborators, and 50 gigabytes of storage per app. If you need more advanced capabilities, choose Replit Pro. This plan is intended for small teams and professional agencies. It includes support for up to 10 parallel AI agents, turbo mode, $100 in monthly credits with 1 month of credit rollover, support for up to 15 builders, role-based access, and 256 gigabytes of storage per app. After choosing your plan, select your preferred billing cycle. You can switch between monthly billing and yearly billing using the billing cycle toggle. If you choose annual billing, you'll save approximately 10% upfront compared to paying monthly. Once you've selected both your plan and billing cycle, click the Join button for your chosen tier. Enter your credit card or another supported web payment method, then confirm the checkout to complete your purchase. Your upgrade takes effect immediately after the payment is confirmed. If you're already subscribed to a paid plan and decide to upgrade to a higher tier before your current billing cycle ends, Replit automatically calculates a prorated credit based on your unused time. That credit is applied to your checkout total before you complete the payment. After upgrading, you can also manage how your credits are used. Replit uses an effort-based credit system where AI generations, background code reasoning, and hosting consume credits from your account. If you reach your monthly credit limit while using a Core or Pro subscription, you don't need to upgrade your plan again. Instead, open Settings, go to Account Usage, and purchase independent credit packs starting at $5. You can also enable pay-as-you-go billing from the same area if you prefer. To control your usage, open your account billing dashboard and configure a monthly spending limit. Set the usage cap before running more complex building instructions so your account follows the spending limit you've chosen. That's everything you need to do to upgrade your Replit account. Choose the billing option that works for you. Complete your subscription, manage additional credits if needed, and configure your billing settings after the upgrade. Thank you for watching.